Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Question, do your stops look like this? Well, if so, don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna give you a quick fix. So hang tight. Now, stopping is something that we do many times when we're out riding, especially if you're riding in a sitting environment. Having wobbly stops does not just apply to new riders, but experienced riders as well. Now, I think the biggest cause for this is how riders are using the rear brake, and not necessarily that they're not in the friction zone when they're coming to a stop. Now, what I generally see is that riders will press a little bit on the rear brake pedal, and then as the motorcycle slows down, they will start to press a little more and then a little more, which looks like this. Now, the problem this causes is that as you're slowly pressing on the rear brake pedal, the motorcycle is losing momentum and starts to wobble. So here's the fix. So when you decide that you're going to stop, you need to have a steady, continuous press on the rear brake pedal. And you want to continue to press down until the motorcycle comes to a stop. Now, this is how this should look. Now, when you do this, it makes the motorcycle more steady and gets rid of those unsteady stops. So this is how your stop should look. Now, this is the technique that I use with the rear brake when stopping, and it works very well for me. I don't use the friction zone to help me keep the motorcycle steady when I'm stopping. Because for me, the less things that I have to do at one time, the better. Now, if you've been a part of this channel for some time, you know that I believe that there's more than one way to skin a cat for most things. So if you're one of those riders that use the friction zone to keep the motorcycle steady when you're stopping, there's nothing wrong with that. Now, let me know in the comment section below any techniques that you use to help you have good stops. Now, until next time, you got it, guys. Practice, 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 and ride safe.